So this is where we camped. It's known as the Grassy Lake Road Dispersed camping area. You actually follow the Snake River for quite a while before turning on to the long Forrest road. It feels like you're driving forever, but that's exactly why this place is so peaceful. Like I said, definitely longer than we expected. The road is a little bumpy in places, but honestly, it wasn't too bad. We had no problems getting our camper van back here. We just took it slow, enjoyed the scenery, and the farther you drive, the fewer the people that you see. By the time you get to camp, it really feels like you're in the middle of nowhere. This ended up being one of our more unique dispersed camping sites of our trip. There's huge open fields, wetlands, mountain views, and a lot of room to go out and explore. We wandered around for a while, didn't end up seeing anybody, and also didn't see any animals, unfortunately. As I take a walk through this field, I wanted to mention the Dyrt app, because it's actually how we found every campsite on this trip. You can see reviews from other campers, photos of the sites, whether there's cell service, and a bunch of other helpful information before you even get there. It made finding great dispersed camping spots like this really easy, and I definitely recommend checking it out if you're planning a road trip. For a dispersed campsite, having an outhouse is definitely a nice bonus. It's simple, but it was clean and it was well maintained, which isn't always something you find when you're camping this far out. The forest ranger makes multiple rounds to all these different dispersed campsites throughout the week to make sure everything is in tip-top shape. And of course, no campfire is complete without making a s'more. Surrounded by wetlands, mountains, and endless forest with no crowds and almost no signs of civilization. If you're looking for a quiet place to disconnect and enjoy nature, this one is really hard to beat. This is in our top 5 of our favorite dispersed campsites on our Yellowstone trip, and it's definitely a place we'd consider coming back to.